nature, space, life, all around us, all based around existence itself, or should I say, a flat existence, because you've been lied to about the world you live on. The government tries to teach you that the world is a globe, but we know better. Join us and forget everything you thought you knew about your world.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Hi, I'm Brittany Spears, and my colleagues and I are here to teach you all about the Earth you live on. To open your eyes, your round eyes, to how not round this Earth is. Now, to start with a simple demonstration.
Hi, I'm Bill Nye, and this is a ball. Hi, I'm Olivia Brown, and this is a frisbee. Now, take a quick look and see which one's more similar to the ground. Obviously, the frisbee, duh, it's flat like the ground. Thus, the Earth is like a frisbee, flat and a disc. Demo number 2. Demo number 3. Bam! Bam! Bam!
Bam!
Number 4. I'm currently on a trampoline, and I am jumping in place, not moving in the air at all. Observe the X which I'm currently jumping on. If the Earth were really round and really spinning in the middle of space, wouldn't I be moving away from the X? Tell me that, round earthers!
In the late 15th century, people still thought the Earth was flat. Yes, flat. And they were right. Up until Christopher Columbus started throwing ideas about circles and spheres being the shape of the Earth. And he threw in some stuff about trade routes and all that. Now, he traveled to America and discovered it, and while trying to travel to India. Well, in this process, he created this telltale story about how the Earth is round. Well, in reality, all he did was go to America and right back to Spain and Portugal and didn't even travel the world, and thus didn't even prove the Earth is round. Yet another loss.
This is a car, one that drives on the road and stuff. If the Earth was round, don't you think it would look more like this? But no, it's flat and it's straight, which means the Earth has to be flat, because if it was round, it would look like this. So then the big question is, what about gravity? How can gravity be explained? The thing is, gravity isn't actually real. Because Earth is actually just a flat surfaced landmass flying upwards in space, water stays on the ground because, physics and stuff. Observe, this is the Earth if it was a sphere. The Earth, the spherical Earth, has a northern and a southern hemisphere. On the northern hemisphere, you have places like America, USA. People, they're all chilling, alive and well. But, and here's where we disprove the round Earth theory. On the southern hemisphere, you have places like Australia, but that doesn't work because people would fall off of the planet. Their feet would have to be stapled to the ground. And that is not possible because that would hurt a lot, and I would feel very bad for all those poor Australian people. So, bam.
And if you're still not convinced yet, just take a look around you. I mean, literally anything and everything can prove that the Earth is flat. I mean, just look at the name, Flat Earth Theory. That is 4 syllables. Remember that, it's key.
You can take anything. For example, a dog. What is a dog made up out of? Atoms. But where are atoms from? Where were they derived from? The Big Bang. Bang. Bang Bang, like the song by Jessie J, featuring Ariana Grande and Nicki Minaj. Ariana Grande. Grande, like Starbucks. Starbucks is just stars and bucks. Bucks, dollar bills. Dollar bills are flat, just like the Earth. But that's not all. There's more. Going off from Starbucks again, the corporation was founded in 1971. What else opened in 1971? Disney World. Disney World, a very large corporation that makes movies, one of which is Pocahontas. Set, ironically, around the time that the flat earth theory was disproved. Another character in Pocahontas was John Smith. John Smith, J.S. J is the 10th letter of the alphabet, and S is the 19th. If you subtract 10 from 19, you get 9. How many letters are in flat earth? 9. But the real question is, why was John Smith seen as a good character in the movie Pocahontas? Well, Disney and Starbucks both actually supported the flat earth theory, which is why they aligned John Smith with the natives, seen as good characters. But why the natives? Well, the natives are actually symbolic of an older viewpoint and an older way of looking at things, such as the flat earth theory, an older theory. But still not convinced that Disney supports the flat earth theory? Well, just look at the name, flat earth, F-E, F, the 6th letter of the alphabet, and E, the 5th. What does this have to do with Disney? Well, 6, 5, 65. How old, I ask, was Disney when he died? That's right, 65. But what does all of this have to do with our important number of 4? Well, we already have 3 out of the 4 necessities. Starbucks, Disney, NASA, but what's the last one? What's the last important thing? Well, it's been under your nose this entire time. Christopher Columbus, NASA, demos and ideas that try to prove that the round earth is the real theory. All of them have been debunked. They are all failures. Every single one of them. Starbucks, R. Disney, E. NASA, with its Alcoholics Anonymous. But what's the last one? Well, I'm here to tell you that they all took the L's, but I take no L's. Flat Earth theory is real.